Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram, add 10 or 20 photos on an Instagram post. So for us to be able to begin, just click onto the Instagram app in here and log in onto your account. So just make sure that you're currently logged in onto the right account where you want to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. Right after, just click onto the profile icon here onto the bottom part of your screen to go ahead and view your feed. So here onto your feed, you should be able to see a plus icon here onto the upper part. Click onto that and click onto post. By here, you should be able to go ahead and select multiple photos to post. So you could add or click onto more than 10 pictures in here. So just click onto this icon first, right after choosing photo or videos that you want to upload. So as you can see, we've reached 10 already and we could go ahead and add more up until 20. Right after that, once you have chosen all of that, click on next. And right after, you could click onto next again. And as you can see, you have added multiple or more than 10 photos onto your post. So just click onto share. And that is how you could post more than 10 pictures on Instagram, add 10 or 20 photos on an Instagram post. If you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.